Welcome to the Faculty Online Training video series. My name is Dominic Garfalo, and today I'm going to show you how to create an exam inside Educator. Very similar to creating a quiz as we saw before. There is one thing I'm going to go over a little bit differently than I didn't go over creating a quiz, and that's going to be the use of the built-in feedback. So let's get started. First, we're going to click on New Exam. Enter a name for our exam. Let's call this Week 6. The number of questions that we have, number of different groups. I'm going to keep it simple for this example, so I'm just going to choose one. And one thing that's different from a quiz than the exam is that the build feedback is selected by default. So I'll leave it at yes so you can see what that looks like. Let's go ahead and click on Get Started. And what's really nice too is now I can set the format for all of my questions the same as how I set the first question. So I'm going to choose true and false for this one as well, and then I'm going to click the box to say that the remaining questions should also be true and false. I will click Continue. Little preview of the format. They're all true and false questions. I'll click Continue once more, and now I need to enter each one of my questions. So I'm going to go back to my Word document that I created beforehand, and I'm going to copy and paste each one of my true-false statements into the exam area. Here is where, when I use feedback, I can put a statement in there that should pop up when the correct answer is selected for true, or when the wrong answer is selected for false. Assign my point value, and then also give a display message for this particular question after the exam has been graded. So now I've finished entering all of my questions and putting in the correct responses, assigning points. Hit submit, and I'm taken to this window right here. So now I can go ahead and finish up. And this is where I can specify more of the features that I'd like to use. Remember, I do need to change it to active, otherwise they're not going to be able to see it. I can put the contribution for the grade builder in there. Specify the due date. Now I can specify a time limit. Decide whether it should be accessed only once, allow multiple, or allow submissions without or with unanswered questions, and then allow learners the opportunity to reset the exam. A few other options that we didn't have here before: require a proctor, and then you can see the rest here. The other option I also have is to include instructions for the exam. Once I finish specifying all these features here, I will just click Format the Exam. And now if I go to the View Learner as a Learner link, I can click on the examination, click on Week 6, and there it is. There is my exam. This concludes the creating an exam exercise in the Faculty Online Training video series for Silver Lake College. Thanks for watching.